Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's do some sample with me. Our collection from More Mood Gel Snore Mood. Let's go! Oh, shoot. Wow, looks so pretty. We don't have a tin can. We just have these. It's like creamy. Can I do this?
Star in Victoria. She was must be a costume designer. I thought you might want to do your dress you made on stage. Wanted to celebrate a little before we all go off on holiday.
I'm so bad at this.
Okay, Eden. What, they all think I was discovered? I could have had any costume designer in. You're not threatening to fire me. It's mean. Oh, you think so? Can come off as kind of mean. Someone who's making a lot of mistakes. You were carrying spaghetti, and I went. Me. And you can tell. Jostle it. I don't think that's a fan of yours. I thought we could maybe make an
Your Christmas? More of me.
Here. It's. This is so much fun. It made me think of you. Catherine, thank you. Out of the house with you. This kid stuff. Because he... I didn't realize. I should have. Horrible. 13.
She'd like us thrown.
Get better. Alright, bye bye.